Whew, it's cold out here. It's 2:30 in the morning. It's 30 degrees. But I got the trailer out here at the Ross Dress for Less parking lot. Big lot. I don't know what else. What's this area called? Some shopping center. But got some lights on, a couple mods, the Minikawas, EXB diffs, new shocks, all that good stuff. The first run on pavement. We're gonna turn that GNSS tracker on real quick too. So while this is booting up, got of course GPM shocks with the 100 weight 1325 CST Team Lucy Racing shock fluid, 25 tooth pinion gear, 50 tooth spur. You can see the UVs coming out of there. Minikawa's on for the pavement. Max 6 1650 kV combo. A bunch of M2C and hot racing and all that good stuff. Basically, this thing's a bad mamma jamma. We're gonna play around for a minute. Let's see here, and so flying, start. And record. Okay, with better shots, this thing just puts power down better and handles it. That was full throttle there for a split second. So we're gonna bring it back, see what the speeds were. That might be all I do tonight. It's cold, and I'm just kind of doing some test hits. I'm gonna go bash them tomorrow. Oh yeah, this mamma jamma is fast. We're gonna bring us back this one time here. We're gonna call it good. This thing is nasty like this. I should have upgraded shocks a long time ago. And these EXB diffs, And right now, so I've got the front suspension a little tighter than the rear. I kind of like how it handles. We'll see how it is off-road. I might loosen the front end up again, but on pavement, this might be the way. That'll do. Ooh wee. Read, what did we hit? 70 miles an hour. Yeah, that's not bad. I'll take that. I'll take a flat 70. Because I just blipped full throttle for a moment. So, yeah, we'll take that all day.